Spring is in the air. Is your skin in dire need for some TLC? From the harsh winter months? Try this simple exfoliating DIY aloe vera scrub for skin. Get the radiant glow that you deserve. Welcome back to the channel. Subscribe. Click the bell to receive all new posts so you'll never miss a new DIY video. Perform a patch test on your arm before using this scrub. Wait at least 15 minutes to see if you have any allergies to any of the ingredients in this DIY. Your skin is the largest organ on your body. It needs nutrition of its own. If your skin is in dire need of TLC due to the harsh winter months, then glow up with this aloe vera scrub. The aloe vera plant is very versatile in its uses. If you add it to your personal care regimen, you can treat, exfoliate, restore, and provide constant nutrition to your skin. Ayurveda refers to the aloe vera as the miracle herb. Benefits of aloe vera for skin. Use as a deep penetrating cleanser for skin. Helps skin to retain moisture. Reduces visible wrinkles and fine lines on your face. Prevents premature aging. Improving the elasticity of your skin. And repairing skin cells. Fights acne. Prevents dark spots. If you want to know more about this miracle plant, check out my latest video linked above and below in the description area. Benefits of lemon for skin. Use as a skin astringent to close your pores and tighten the face to achieve smoother skin. Lemons also have antiseptic properties which help exfoliate dead skin cells. They are a great source of calcium, vitamin C, magnesium, and potassium. All of these help improve the appearance and the condition of your skin. Benefits of sugar for skin. Sugar is a natural humectant. It draws moisture from the environment into the skin. The small particles in sugar is an excellent topical exfoliant. It exfoliates dead surface skin cells. It removes dirt and unclogs pores. Materials needed for Aloe Vera Scrub. One cup of Aloe Vera Gel. 1 cup of sugar. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. A mixing bowl and spoon. Combine aloe vera gel and sugar into a bowl. Stir until it forms a smooth paste. Squeeze 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now stir entire mixture. Apply this scrub in the shower. Use gentle, circular, upward massage movements to exfoliate. Continue normal shower routine. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried this aloe vera scrub. Subscribe for more natural remedies. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Give us a like. Comment below. Share this video.